Hi guys, welcome back to Robbie D's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making Bahamian style tuna salad. So let's get into the video. So here are your ingredients. As always, all of the measurements will be down below. I'm gonna first start off by opening the can of tuna and draining it and putting it into my bowl. Now I'm just gonna squeeze some lime juice into the tuna and then give it a mix. So now I'm just gonna be finely chopping my veggies. Sometimes I also add tomato into my tuna salad or a different color bell pepper, just whatever I have. For seasoning, I use about 2 dashes of onion powder, and then I use black pepper and salt to taste. So as you'll see throughout the video, I'm constantly adding a little bit more salt or black pepper just to make it how I like it. Then I'm also gonna add my mayo in there, and then I'm gonna mix and just keep mixing and adjusting to your liking. Please don't forget to taste as you go because you wouldn't want it to be too salty or have too much mayo or anything like that. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And also don't forget to comment and subscribe. And until next time, bye!